If you're running an e-commerce brand and your email marketing strategy is not finalized for Q4, I'm here to explain you in a non-technical way what you need to do. Give me 5 minutes and you know exactly how to prep using this amazing illustration that I put in place for flows, campaigns, and pop-ups, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, guys, 53 days before BFCM. We're here to help you with BFCM, and I'm here to release daily videos to show you what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS marketing funnels for e-commerce brands, okay? And I'm not here to sell you anything on this channel, but to find top-tier talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. If you want to crush it this Q4, subscribe to this channel as I release daily videos to help you prep for Q4 for your email and SMS marketing. We're using Klaviyo, so that's what you use. You're in a good place. Like if you want to leave a like and drop a comment with any questions down below. I check them on a daily basis. All right. First thing first, guys. Black Friday. What is different this year is that there's so much more emails. So what you want to do is make sure that your emails actually land inside of your customers' inbox. Okay? Don't play with that. Don't wait for the last minute. You want to basically audit your click rate. And if it's not at least 2% click rate, meaning, you know, your average click rate for flows, campaigns, you can check this right now inside of deliverability in your Klaviyo account. You should scale back and start sending smaller. All right. If it is a 2%, you can start sending, you know, broader and broader and broader and broader. All right. 60 days, 90 days, 120 and 180 day engage. If you don't have at least 2% click rate, scale to 30-day engage. Simple. Anybody can do that. All right. So this is email marketing for dummies, literally. Flows. What you should have, first of all, is a place to get leads from. So either like ads or organic through influencers, reels, shorts, whatever you can get traffic from. And in person. I have this client that actually does holiday markets. She gets clients from, you know, in person. So you can actually send them also to your homepage, and then they get the pop-up, they sign up, and then email marketing can start working. So what you want to have is all these flows in place. The welcome here is connected to your pop-up, a browse abandonment if somebody browsed a page or a product page and bounced off without making a purchase. If somebody added to cart and didn't actually complete their purchase, you want to send them an abandoned cart. If somebody started a checkout, you guessed it right, you want to send them the abandoned checkout. And eventually, when somebody makes a purchase, you want to send them a nice and long post-purchase sequence. Guys, this is everything you need pretty much to get started with your Q4 email marketing. All right. To make it even extra special for you, I actually released this special BFCM content planner with all the different emails that you should have for your email marketing, like running a VIP early access sale. You want to finalize your BFCM landing page, your offers. Okay. In November, I have literally content email, all the examples that I recommend for you to do, and also have a video walking you through every single one. I broke down actually here the Zero School, great company for email marketing. Really like their stuff. And I gave you all these examples so you can actually follow along. And if you want to grab a copy and input all your campaigns and plan everything here from October, November, December, every single one, and even actually January, I think, you can actually grab a free copy of this and actually start planning your campaigns. If you're not sure where to start and you need some extra help, first of all, auditing your account and understanding what's going on, I have 2 spots available in October. If you're running an e-commerce store, go ahead and click on those right now to apply. And if you have any questions about what I said just now, drop me a question down below, a comment, and I'll get back to you. All right. So again, you want to, no matter how many campaigns you've been sending, want to make sure you have at least 2% click rate, and you want to have all these flows as well as a nice pop-up in place, and you should be good to go. Thank you so much, guys, and I see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.